Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Realme C35 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show you the top 3 widgets that you can possibly get to the home screen of this device. So let's go ahead and start. In order to access the widget menu on the smartphone, all you gotta do is tap and hold on any vacant spot you have on the home screen, go to the widgets menu, and here we are looking at the widgets that are divided into convenient categories. So let's go ahead and start. The first widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar widget. It is located at the Google category. So all you gotta do in order to add this widget to your home screen is tap and hold and choose the home screen that you would like to place it at. I'll go with this one, for example, and drop it here. The second widget that I would highly recommend on adding is located at the calendar category, and it is the calendar itself. So there are two designs to choose from, either the full one, the full scale one, or the compact one. I'll go with the compact one and place it, for example, let me move it to another home screen and place it right here. And this widget will make sure that you will not miss any events or reminders that are added to the calendar app of this device. You will not have to necessarily open up the calendar app to check it. You will see everything basically on home screen. So it is very convenient, and it will prevent you from forgetting about any, as I said, reminder or event that is added to your calendar. And we are moving on to the third and the last widget that is located at the clock widget section, clock widget category. And I would highly recommend that you add one of these two designs of a clock. We can either go with digital clock or analog clock. I'll add the digital clock, for example, and place it, let's say, right here. Alright, and now we have the clock widget that is digital. So that was it, not only for the last widget, but for this video in general. So if you thought that this tutorial was useful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!